Tofu, tempeh and spinach burgers. Prepare the ingredients. Heat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place a large pot filled with water on a high heat and bring to the boil. Add 1 large bunch of spinach leaves. Cook for 1 minute, then strain and cool under cold running water. When cooled, finely chop the spinach. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Slice 15 mushrooms. Heat a frying pan on a high heat and add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic. Add the mushrooms. Saute until the water is absorbed. Then set aside. In a large bowl, crumble 500 grams of tempeh and 250 grams of tofu. Mash with your hands to a ricotta-like consistency. Add 3 cups of quick cook oats. Add chopped spinach. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Mash with your hands. Add the sauteed mushrooms, garlic and onion mixture and mix well. Form into patties and place onto a tray and then cook in the oven for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, slice a loaf of wholemeal sourdough. Thinly slice 1 cucumber, then slice 1 tomato. Remove the patties from the oven. To serve, place a slice of bread on a plate. Top with some lettuce leaves. Top with tomato slices, then cucumber slices. Top with the patty. Then pour over some sweet chili sauce and serve.